Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to reset your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell your TV, a reset can often resolve many common problems. Step 1. Accessing settings. First, grab your Samsung TV remote. Press the menu button to bring up the main menu. Navigate to settings using the arrow keys on your remote. It looks like a gear icon. Step 2. Initiating the reset. Scroll down to Support or General depending on your TV model. Now, select Self-Diagnosis or Reset option. Step 3. Confirming reset. Choose Reset or Factory Data Reset. You might need to enter your PIN if you've set one up previously. Step 4. Completing the reset. Confirm your selection to initiate the reset process. Your TV will turn off and back on automatically. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Samsung Smart TV is now reset to its factory settings. Remember, this process can vary slightly depending on your TV model, so check your user manual for specific instructions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.